Hello, esteemed audience. Welcome to IT Manufacture. Today, we're going to lift the veil on automated manufacturing and delve deep into its underlying operational principles. Automated manufacturing is brought to life through the seamless integration of three fundamental pillars: hardware, software, and networks. On the hardware front, it encompasses an array of sophisticated equipment such as robots, computer numerical control, CNC, machines, sensors, and actuators. These physical components form the backbone of the automated manufacturing setup, performing the actual tasks with precision and efficiency. The software aspect is equally crucial. It consists of advanced computer control systems, programming software, and data analysis software. These digital tools are responsible for orchestrating the entire manufacturing process, from initial planning to real-time monitoring and adjustment. Networks play a vital role in enabling the smooth flow of information. They create of connectivity that allows devices to communicate with each other, exchange data, and work in harmony towards a common goal. Now let's take a closer look at the operational process of automated manufacturing, which typically unfolds in the following well-defined steps. 1. Process planning. This is the initial and strategic phase, where experts meticulously define the machining process routes and parameters. It's like creating an agile blueprint for the entire manufacturing journey. 2. Programming. Skilled programmers write CNC programs that serve as the instructions for the equipment. These programs precisely control every movement and operation of the machinery, ensuring accuracy and consistency. 3. Production. Once the programs are in place, the equipment springs into action. It automatically executes the machining tasks, following the programmed instructions to produce high-quality products. 4. Inspection. Sensors and inspection devices are deployed to keep a vigilant eye on product quality. They continuously monitor the production process, detecting any deviations or defects in real time. 5. Logistics. Automated logistics systems come into play to handle the transportation of materials and distribution of finished products. This streamlines the supply chain, reducing human error and improving overall efficiency. Automated manufacturing is powered by a multitude of key technologies. Robotics. Robots are the workhorses of the automated factory. They can perform complex operations and assembly tasks with speed and precision, significantly enhancing productivity. C. CNC technology. This technology enables high-precision machining, allowing for the creation of intricate and accurate parts that meet the most demanding specification. Sensor technology. Sensors act as the eyes and ears of the manufacturing process. They provide real-time data on various parameters, enabling timely adjustments and ensuring product quality. IoT, Internet of Things technology. By connecting devices and enabling data sharing, IoT technology creates a smart manufacturing ecosystem. It allows for remote monitoring, predictive maintenance, and seamless integration of different production elements. Artificial intelligence (AI) technology. AI brings intelligence to the manufacturing floor. It enables machines to make intelligent decisions, optimize processes, and adapt to changing conditions, leading to improved efficiency and reduced costs. IT Manufacture stands at the forefront of automated manufacturing, armed with extensive experience and cutting-edge technical expertise. We are committed to providing our clients with comprehensive and customized solutions. If you are interested in learning more about how automated manufacturing can transform your business, don't hesitate to contact us.